Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is April mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for you? And what's going on? Aries fire sign. Under the deck, 10 of Swords and 7 of Pentacles. You are waiting for something or someone. 7 of Pentacles. Maybe you invested money in some businesses and waiting for the result. Yes, 7 of Pentacles waiting mode and 10 of Swords. So you are in so much pain. Maybe you are in separation with your person. For some, you are in no contact situation. For some, if you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. But you still want rebirth in this connection. Let's see what are the messages and reading for you. Recent past, the Hanged Man, King of Cups and Knight of Swords. I think you are in some confusion about this relationship, Aries. Hanged Man, yes, you feeling stuck. You have so much love for this person and you want to offer your love to them. And someone, I think your person communicated with you in recent past, Knight of Swords energy. For some, your person want to offer their love to you, King of Cups. But you're feeling stuck. You're feeling confused in recent past. And there was communication was happened between you and your person in recent past. Present, the Lovers, 9 of Cups and 2 of Swords. Again you are indecisive about to make some decision. 2 of Swords and Hangman. I think the Lovers, there is love. But maybe it is more about physical than emotional. Yes, it is about more physical attraction. And 9 of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted, definitely. So, but you have to make decision, but you are unable to make it. You are very indecisive to make decision. 2 of Swords energy, you are at some crossroads to make decision. Future, 10 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. So you want this happiness. Someone is coming back for reconciliation with you. 10 of Cups with 3 of Pentacles. So, but you still confused. You still holding back. Maybe you want time to make decision. But someone is coming to offer. If you are in separation, to offer reconciliation, because 10 of Cups with 3 of Pentacles. So they want partnership with you. They really want to work on this relationship. So if you are not in separation, this person want to marry you. This person want to take relationship to next level. But you still confused. Maybe you have options for some. You have to choose from those. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy. But you are feeling stuck, you confused, you have to make choice. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So first we will see your person feelings. Aries, their feelings towards you. Yeah, they're thinking about to take this relationship to next level, because the Hierophant with 6 of Cups, definitely this person is want to take this relationship to next level and they're thinking about to a lot. 6 of Cups energy, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. I think you both are strong soulmates. And 3 of Cups, 4 of Wands and the Star, Yes, they want this happiness, this celebration with you. Four of Wands with Three of Cups. Yes, happiness, happy family. And definitely they are wishing, definitely they have so much hopes on this connection because the star and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, especially. So, yes, your person, I think they are very, very serious about you and they definitely want to take this relationship to next level. So, let's see their intentions. Aries, Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, the World. Yes, they want to fix the things between both of you if you have any issues between both of you. So, Eight of Swords and Five of Pentacles. Maybe for some you are in separation with your person. I think your person right now feeling stuck and they're feeling alone without you. Five of Pentacles. Yes, if they treated you as an option, now they're feeling guilty and they're feeling stuck. Yes, they're feeling stuck. And Six of Swords. Yes, they want to fix the things between both of you. And Queen of Cups, definitely they have so much love for you. Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions towards you. And the World, for some it could be long distance relationship. That's why they are unable to make any move towards you right now. And for some the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. So what I'm saying here, definitely your person want to make a move towards you, but right now they're feeling stuck. But in near future, definitely they will make a move. They want to fix the things between both of you because communication, Six of Swords. For some, this could be long distance. That's why, but they're missing you so much and they want this happiness with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the signs are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yes, Ace of Swords, communication with clarity about new beginnings. Five of Swords and Three of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. See, your person missing you badly. Three of Swords energy and under the deck Ace of Pentacles. Definitely they want to be with you forever and this time they want to marry you. And Ace of Swords, maybe they will communicate with you. And Five of Swords. Yes, still there are some disturbances between both of you, but your person want to leave behind those. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. Yeah, maybe you think it was ended, but I am not seeing it is ending. Yes, definitely there is some positive, some moment is coming. It is not ending, it is not over because definitely there is some positive shift is coming in this connection. Knight of Cups, yes, they are coming back to offer their love to you, but again it is slow moving energy. I already told you there is some positiveness is coming in this connection. Yes, for some children also involved in this connection. Yes, long-term commitment is coming and this connection is spiritual. You both are soulmates. You both are connected soul level. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely long-term commitment is coming for this connection. Maybe for some it will take some time depending on your situation because everyone's situation is different from others. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Scorpio. So let's see what are the messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Aries, emotions are running high. Take time to breathe out. Super Moon, emotions are running high. So if you are missing them, if you are separation with your person, if you are missing them, your emotions are really running high, then do meditation, heal yourself and take time to breathe out Yes, you have to heal yourself. If you're doing a lot of work, maybe you're busy with your work, it's time to take breathe out. Take some break and do some your favorite work, maybe take holiday, whatever. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.